sounds very much like I used to work in marketing, and this sounds like a very good benchmark for just research to understand who you're designing the innovation for, and to actually understand whether they would, how they use something, where they would use it, what are the pain points they have. Is it quite similar to marketing research, market research, when we talk about going into the field and speaking with users?
Yeah, in a sense, there's some relationship. Yes, you're right. But it's more. Let me explain it at the occasion of some German experiences. German scientists and engineers have been developing so many wonderful solutions over the last decades. But at the very end, there was no problem to be addressed by these solutions. Now you could say, okay, they did wrong market research, but it's more, because market research is just asking people, making surveys, is about getting some ideas from observing lifestyle patterns, developments, and so on, while RRI attempts to accept consumers, but also citizens and other people affected on equal footing. So it's not just to explore what they think, but to get into a dialogue with them. For example, in Germany, we developed the approach of real-world lab research, where we go to the citizens. We do not expect that they come to our campus. We go to them and we talk to them. We might make a kind of co-development, co-design of projects, for example, in the area of sustainable development of urban quarters. So it's different from, the roles are different. The roles are different. In market research, the consumers are the consumers. In RRI, the consumers are the partners.